Spinnaker is the code name of the latest release of Skore. In this video, I will show you core new features, the new user interface, the global search, which searches in every content, the business tools, so we have the role manager, system manager, and analytics that are now all at the workspace level. So let's get started. First, let's search for something, procurement. Pressing enter, I can reach my full search results page where I see that Skore has searched through the process, the boxes, but also the custom fields comment. So basically anything that has been entered or typed by a user will appear in the search results. If I scroll down, I see that I also have a role in my search results. Let's click on it. The procurement manager is a role of the workspace now, so it's not role manager process per process as it used to be. Benefit is that when I click on the role description, I see all the processes and all the boxes where this role has been involved, including the RACI information that have been documented for the last two processes. What I also have now is a system manager. So I don't need to capture the system as role as we used to do in the past. Here I have an overview of all the roles used, but let's go to the AP system. We can see that this system has been involved in one or two processes, and also the collaborators. What we mean by collaborators is the other users using the system. I think spreadsheet should be converted as a system, which we can do in one click now in Spinnaker. So let's open a process to see what they look like and what are the additional features it brings you for you as an editor. So first, talking about editors, the other type of users are the viewers. For a viewer, a process looks like a process. And this is really something that was important to us, is to not change the main core experience of opening and navigating in a process. If I drill down here into this activity, I can see that these two boxes at the bottom have both a role and a system documented. We made the system look like a different color. And actually, about style sheets, let's talk quick about style sheets and diagram templates. Diagram templates being the title, the logo, and whatever additional information you may want to have. So the style sheets and the diagram template are now also at the workspace level and centrally managed. And these are great features to allow you to enforce consistency across the whole workspace. So if I select style sheet here, I can see that my workspace has a couple of style sheets and that I'm actually using the default one. But we could easily change the style of the look and feel of the boxes with one click. Very powerful now to enforce the consistency. As we are in editing features, two things very interesting for editors. First is a full text editor, which I have a sort of a quick access here. When I select a text, I can make it bold or not, create links with a proper user interface. We are not using Markdown anymore. We are not using the shortcodes anymore. This is all click and search and much more convenient and easy to use than before. If you want to have access to all the full options, all the options we have to edit text, you can click this icon and now you can see, recognize the typical editing bar with lists, headers type. We can still include links either by include icons either by pressing the colon, or there's a menu here to open the icon picker. We can change the colors and also insert images. Here, insert images by just selecting an image from the library. Again, no need to remember the shortcodes anymore. Let's close that and cancel my changes. Another feature that I wanted to share with you as an editor is around an improvement around custom fields. So custom fields are now central, so you don't need to recreate your library of custom fields for every process. So here I have an improvement opportunity captured on this process. One of the limitations we had with custom fields was that it was impossible to know, okay, on which box did I capture this improvement opportunity? Let me show you what we call the forms visibility. I'm opening it from here. I scroll down until I find the forms that I'm interested in. Custom fields here, improvement opportunity. I will toggle it on. And this shows all the boxes where this custom field has been added. This setting is only for you. So it doesn't change the way a process will look like for someone else. This is very convenient for editors. We do have, though, the ability to make any additional information visible by clicking the visible icon here. Now this will be visible for everyone. Now it sticks. It's just not temporary like the other feature I showed you. Let me hide it again and revert this box as it was. The last feature around process mapping, we have the comments that we already have actually today. But the main benefit now is that I have a bit more features in the comments that make it easier to manage them. So I have 2 comments on this process. Let me go back to the workspace and see how it's important. If I go here, comments, now I see all the comments left against all the processes in the workspace. We can have replies, we can have assignees, so they become a real collaboration tool. Once the action has been taken, we can mark them as completed and they just disappear at the bottom of the list. If you're getting to use the comment feature quite a lot, you will be happy to know that there's the your comments that only shows you comments that are relevant to you. So either a comment that you posted, where you have replied, or in this case, where I am assigned the comments to me. Again, another thing that you may realize that like all the business tools and the comments, everything is at the workspace level originally. So it covers the entire workspace, which the scope may be too large. So what we can do is narrow down the scope of the analysis by clicking on the top right corner, the select scope. So if I want to see only all the business tools, so the role systems and analytics for, let's say, the processes that are in the finance folder, I can select my folder, click save, and now it will limit my search, limit the whole analysis only to the couple of processes that are in the finance folder. So this is very convenient when we don't want to include the whole workspace in a given analysis. There's only one process in this folder as it matters. So this is a very high-level overview of Skore Spinnaker. There's much more to that than that to discover. You will join us in drop-in sessions. You will join us on the YouTube channel and in the community where we talk about them. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will enjoy Spinnaker as much as we do.